Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Aquarius, this is the career and money reading for the month of August for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is the Three of Chalices. This August is coming towards you with a reason to celebrate, a social invite, a social gathering, somewhere where you are going to connect with friends is going to happen. And now also this is also telling me that there's a very good opportunity that you are going to get to network. So if you guys have been looking for a new job, you're trying to find more information in terms of how you can invest or what more you can do for your future, well, an opportunity is coming. Whether you take benefit of this opportunity or not, it's up to you, but definitely universe is going to bring you an invite for a social gathering. It could be something random that you see in your inbox, but then most of us tend to ignore it. But for you, the advice right now is do not invite it. The next card that I have for you is Five of Chalices. So a lot of water energy is happening for you guys. Now Five of Chalices, number three is the card of collaboration, and number five is, it talks about communication. It talks about trying to figure out things in the management level. So for many of you guys who are in the management level or who are working, there are chances that there could be some kind of miscommunication in terms of how you can grow in your career, in a sense that you were promised a promotion or you were promised something amazing, but then that's not going to happen. So that is the message for you. So don't feel disappointed. It's just that things have been prolonged. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Pentacles. So I do feel like somebody else might be chosen over you for this particular promotion. And one of the reasons could be because the other person was good at manipulating the party that was involved with making decisions. So, well, yeah, guys, that is happening for you guys. The next card that I have for you is the Green Man. So, the Green Man card here tells me that not everything is lost, because you do have a new opportunity. It's just that what you were promised initially is not happening. It's not turning into a physical outcome. So there's going to be no physical outcome of it, and most of it is happening in your emotions. And also Six of Pentacles talks about planning for the future. So something is going to happen for the future, and with the Green Man showing up here, for many of you there are chances of starting something new. You are going to get this opportunity to do something new, but it's really up to you. For many of you, I could see that it could be related to music, not for everyone, but very few related to music. The next card that I have for you is Six of Chalices. So we have two sixes so far, and number six is the number of, it represents the planet Venus. It represents growth. Number six also relates to your relationship. It also relates to your wealth and finances in general. And with number six, what's happening is that it does feel like you guys are being dominated either by the emotions of somebody, an involved party. It could be because you are too focused on being nice to people around you that you don't take the needful action. And if you can see, considering how these cards are going, it does look like you will be pushed into a path that you don't want to go. But as you can see how this man is holding this girl's hand and taking her to this particular journey or this down the path, you could be this person or you could be this person, but something along those lines is happening, that you're not being allowed to let go and explore. The next card that I have for you is Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is a card where you have to stop. You have to evaluate your previous experiences. You have to evaluate where you have reached, how you have reached this place, and then plan of moving forward. But for you, whenever I see number nine, I do see that there has to be a lot of struggle that has to be put in. Why? Because number nine represents the planet Mars to me, and Mars is all about being alone. It's all about making the efforts for yourself by yourself. Let's see what other messages I have for you. The next card that I have for you is number 13, Lord of the Shadows. So it does seem like, guys, I'm sorry to say, but somebody else is getting all the spotlight, is getting everything that they want, and you are just sulking around in the background, try to figure out what should I do, like what should I do about this entire situation, why aren't things going my way. The next card that I have for you is the Standing Stone. So number 2, I do see travel, not for everyone, for a very very few people of you. I do see that you will have to make a choice, an option will be given to you, and you have to make a choice about it. It may not be something you're totally happy with, but I do see you moving forward pretty well. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Wands. Page of Wands card tells me that you guys have the magic, you will figure it out. It's just what is happening right now is that you are not getting what you are supposed to get, and you kind of have to work with whatever resources you have and whatever you're getting now. Let's take a look at this. Let's look at these cards at the bottom, which tells us the overall energy of your reading. Now we have the Six of Pentacles and we have the Nine of Wands. So definitely, guys, there are chances of getting cheated. They're cheated, when it comes to work. Like, somebody else takes the credit, you don't get the credit, and there's also this sense where you are unsure of whether you should, come come out in the forefront and say it out loud how you have helped or what you should do, because something may have happened in your past and it didn't work out well. Sorry, so you're not really sure if you should go ahead with it or not. Now let's see from Moonology deck what sort of messages I have for my lovely Aquarians here. The first card that I have for you is Show the World the Real You. So full moon in Aquarius. So number one, full moon talks about completion of a cycle. Something is coming to an end, something is completing its cycle, something is, a new cycle is about to start. I am sorry, that is my dog who is barking. Yeah, just ignore him. But then also Aquarius talks about that you have this hidden talent inside of you that needs to come out, but you're not sure how it's supposed to come out. Now Aquarius people by default are also going to make, so this pile, despite how everything is going on, I do see you making money. Why? Because sign of Aquarius by default rules the 11th house in your natal chart, and when it rules the 11th house in your natal chart, 11th house is about making money. It's about doing things that are not going to take a lot of efforts, but you are going to be making money. Now one thing I am pretty sure, because it's the Aquarius sign and by default your 11th sign um, also talks about, sorry, your 11th house also talks about networking. So make sure that networking remains the theme. And when we talk about your career and the Aquarius house, so Aquarius would be the second house from your 10th house of career. And when that happens, what is really happening for you guys is you really need to put in the resources. You need to put in all the efforts from your end. The next card that I have for you is Nothing is Set in Stone. What they are trying to tell you is just because you have suffered this bump or you are about to suffer this bump or this hurdle doesn't mean that it's the end of everything for you. There are a lot of things coming your way, a lot of new things are coming your way, so don't miss out the chances, but just make sure at least for this month your effort has to be on networking, on communicating with people, on getting in touch with different people, and on keeping your eyes and head open to all the opportunities that are about to present themselves in front of you.